Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. A little bit different video here. We'll give you a shop update of what we're working on. Pulled the head off the 1.8. I'll insert the video in a minute here, but this looks really good. We'll just take a look at the photos in the video here. Motor's pretty clean. This cam cover out of here. '99 manifold, complete head in there, and Super Tech valves. That's ready to go on with just some lapping. Alternator. Water pump, motor mounts, oil pump, engine case stuff, coolant reroute stuff, another pair of cams back here, sensors. All the new goodies. Also, knock sensor plug stud. Just kind of keeps going, right? It's all in here. Gaskets, dipsticks, all of it. Well, I guess it had oil in it. That's why you always have a drip pan ready. So we'll pull the pan off tonight and get the front cover off and see how the bottom looks. Really not bad for a junkyard motor. We'll take down the windage tray and stuff tomorrow. So like I said, looking pretty good. We're gonna move on. Notice there's something missing here. Sold the boat, which makes room for another project. So for today, we're actually going to be doing a little bit of shop cleanup. You can see all of the shop cats helping me out. Craftsman's quality has really gone down, so I went and picked up this US General piece here. We're going to get the tractor and pull this down and assemble that. Also picked up a cart for my plasma cutter so we can get that off that shelf and just get this a little bit more organized in here. So let's get you set up. In a perfect world, I'd have front forks on my 3025 Deere here, but I don't. So we're just using ratchet straps to bind it to the bucket so I can get it out of the back of the truck, and then we'll just move it into the garage here. There we go. A little sketchy, but we got it done. But that's kind of where we're at. I don't really feel like doing an unboxing video. You don't really need to watch me assemble. But we're gonna get this unpacked. We'll get this packed up. And we'll bring you back for a tour once I kind of got this a little bit cleaned up and discuss next steps. Quickest unboxing video ever. There you go.
A few moments later.
Give you a quick tour of the box now that I got it unpacked. Really impressed with the quality of this. And later on, it rolls pretty well, and it fits nicely against my Snap-on box that I've had for well over 20 years now. And in today's world, to get a decent box new under $1,000, I think this was $600. It's really hard to do so, and something that's not going to fall apart. And again, maybe my Lowe's just doesn't assemble the Craftsman boxes the way they're supposed to, but I looked at all of them in stock, and they were terrible compared to this. So I went with the US General.
2,000 years later.
A lot still to do, but at least we've got room for the second project, which I'm gonna go look at tomorrow. I don't know if I'm gonna drop the video this weekend, but thanks for tuning in. Happy 4th of July, everyone. Next video, we'll be talking about what's gonna be parking here.